In this quick take video, we'll cover a brief overview of the PetaLinux Tools development and build environment and how it enables customers to build Linux distributions that target Xilinx devices and to quickly evaluate Xilinx Embedded Platforms. PetaLinux Tools simplifies embedded Linux development on Xilinx devices. PetaLinux Tools eases the development of Linux-based products with just 7 commands. PetaLinux board support packages enable evaluation on Xilinx reference platforms within minutes. PetaLinux Tools provides a complete reference Linux distribution that has been integrated and tested on Xilinx boards. The distribution includes both binary and source Linux packages. Let's take a quick look at your options for building the embedded software for a Xilinx device to see where PetaLinux Tools fits in. Vivado is used to design and configure the hardware system, containing at least one embedded processor. Then, the flow on the top of the diagram is the do-it-yourself flow. You would fetch the sources yourself, build the toolchain and the software, applying patches as needed, integrate and package everything up. Then, run it through bootgen for deployment. This requires an advanced level of knowledge and experience to get right. The flow in the middle of the diagram is the Yocto flow, which abstracts away some of the complexity. You use pre-configured tested recipes to build an embedded Linux distribution targeting Xilinx reference platforms. These recipes can then be customized. The Yocto flow will be covered in another quick take video. The flow in the bottom of the diagram is the PetaLinux Tools flow. PetaLinux Tools further abstracts away details for the user, layering on top of Yocto and offering the user some automation utilities. PetaLinux Tools helps those trying to quickly evaluate Xilinx products and embedded Linux beginners to get up and running. Let's zoom in on the PetaLinux Tools build flow in the diagram. PetaLinux uses Yocto under the hood and allows you to configure in a different way with kconfig. You can still use Yocto layers and recipes from the community, and your selections are still passed to Yocto's bitbake engine to build an image, a package, or even to run QEMU, the quick emulator. However, PetaLinux Tools abstracts away that complexity if you don't want to see it. Let's take a closer look at the 7 commands that make up PetaLinux Tools. The PetaLinux Create tool creates objects that are part of a PetaLinux project. This includes the PetaLinux project itself, applications, and modules. The PetaLinux Config tool allows you to customize at the project or project component level. It also provides a workspace for patching the software. The PetaLinux Build tool builds either the entire embedded Linux system or a specified component of the Linux system. It also provides a workspace for patching the software. PetaLinux Config and PetaLinux Build use the Yocto Dev tool mechanism underneath. The PetaLinux Boot tool can be used to load and boot the PetaLinux images on a physical board over JTAG or on the QEMU model of the system. The PetaLinux Package tool packages a PetaLinux project into a format suitable for deployment. The PetaLinux Util tool gives you access to various utilities, such as GDB. The PetaLinux Upgrade tool helps you to make a minor version upgrade to the latest system software components, such as ARM-trusted firmware, U-boot, Linux, etc., without having to install the latest Vivado or Vitis version. This example workflow shows how some of these commands might be used in development. Note that boot, package, util, and upgrade are all optional commands that are not required to create a bootable set of Linux images. More information about the PetaLinux commands can be found in the UG1157 PetaLinux Tools Command Line Guide and the UG1144 PetaLinux Tools Reference Guide. Many complete reference projects are available for download from Xilinx.com as PetaLinux board support packages, or BSPs. These BSPs have been tested by Xilinx on the respective boards. Each BSP includes pre-built binaries so you can quickly boot Linux on the corresponding evaluation platform without modification. If you download and install a PetaLinux BSP to create a PetaLinux project, or if you take the shortcut of doing a tar-xvf on the downloaded BSP, you'll find a pre-built directory with these binaries. You can use these as is. By copying to an SD card the boot.bin and image.ub, you can boot up Linux immediately on the corresponding evaluation board. Or you can use the PetaLinux BSP as a known good starting point for your Linux development on this board. For more information about PetaLinux Tools, visit the PetaLinux Tools page on Xilinx.com.